It's me, Bree Reads! Hi friends, it's me, Bree. Today, let's read a classic story together, The Wonderful Wizard of Oz. This story was written a long time ago. It's over 100 years old. Today's version has been abridged or made shorter for you. The Wonderful Wizard of Oz. Written by L. Frank Baum. Illustrated by W. W. Denslow. Dorothy lived in the middle of the great Kansas prairie with her Uncle Henry, Aunt Em, and her little dog Toto. One day, as she sat on the porch of her farmhouse, she noticed a black cloud swirling across the plains. "A tornado!" cried Dorothy. "Quick, to the cellar!" But it was too late. The whirling wind lifted her home into the air and carried Dorothy and Toto to a faraway land. Crash! The farmhouse landed with a jolt. Dorothy and Toto stepped out of the house and looked around. Toto! The house fell on somebody! I didn't mean to hurt anyone! Just then, a happy group of townspeople and a woman in a glittering dress greeted Dorothy. "Welcome to Oz! I am Glinda, the Good Witch, and these are the Munchkins. You have freed them from the evil of the Wicked Witch of the East. Thank you! Her slippers now belong to you." "But I just want to go home." "Oh, only the Wizard of Oz can help you with that. Simply follow the yellow brick road to the Emerald City. There you will find him." "Thank you," said Dorothy as she made her way down the road. "And Dorothy, keep close watch on your new slippers. They are very magical." On the road, Dorothy met a talking scarecrow. "My head is full of straw. People think I'm a fool. I'd give anything to have a brain." "I bet the Wizard of Oz could help. I'm on my way there now. Why don't you join Toto and I on our journey?" To Oz! Farther down the road, the group found a Tin Woodsman who was rusted stiff. "Help me! I have an idea! An oil can!" The group quickly grabbed a nearby oil can and oiled his joints. "Thank you, friend! I feel good as new!" "If only I had a heart." "It sounds like you need the Wizard of Oz too. Come along with us." To Oz! As Dorothy, Scarecrow, the Tin Woodsman, and Toto skipped down the road, suddenly a large lion sprang onto the road, roaring.
Oh!
Don't you dare bite us! Well, you're nothing but a coward, said the Scarecrow.
I'm sorry. You're right. I am a big coward. I haven't got any courage at all,
said the lion through tears.
Oh, the Wizard of Oz is going to give Scarecrow a brain and the Tin Man a heart. Maybe he could give you some courage.
Oh. To Oz!
So the lion joined the travelers, and soon they all found themselves in a field of beautiful poppies. As soon as Dorothy and Lion breathed in the sweet perfume of the poppies, they quickly fell in a deep sleep.
What are we gonna do now?
Fretted the Scarecrow. Just then, Glinda the Good Witch appeared in the sky, blanketing our travelers in magical snow.
I think it's helping. No, it couldn't be. Yes, it is! It's helping!
Screamed the Tin Man. Just then, Dorothy and the lion awoke from their sleep to see the Emerald City glimmering in the distance.
The Emerald City!
It's the Emerald City! To Oz! They arrived at a gateway studded with emeralds and met by a small man with green glasses. Please, put these on, he said, shoving a similar pair of glasses at our foursome. And follow me. Soon, our group was in the Great Hall of Oz, faced with a giant head.
I am Oz, the great and powerful,
boomed the wizard's voice.
Where did you get those slippers?
Hello, Great Oz. I am Dorothy. Might you please return me to Kansas?
If you want my help, you must get rid of the Wicked Witch of the West.
But the Good Witch of the North...
Silence! Bring me the Wicked Witch of the West's broomstick, and I will grant your request,
declared the wizard. The foursome did as they were told and embarked on a journey to the witch's castle. But the witch was one step ahead of them.
Fly! Fly!
With one blow of her silver whistle, she summoned her group of flying monkeys to capture our foursome and bring them instantly before the witch herself.
So, you and your little friends were going to destroy me! Not so fast, my pretty.
Just then, the witch lit her broom on fire.
The slippers! Give me the slippers, girl! Fine! How about a little fire, Scarecrow?
The Scarecrow's arm erupted in flames.
Fire! Fire! Fire!
Just then, Dorothy discovered a bucket of water and quickly launched it at the Scarecrow, drenching the Wicked Witch in the process. Within moments, the Wicked Witch was nothing more than a puddle on the floor.
We did it!
Cheered the lion. The wizard was delighted to see them return. We've done what you've told us. We've destroyed the Wicked Witch of the West.
You very much have. And for that, you will be rewarded. My friends, everything you wanted, you had all along. But for the Scarecrow, a diploma, a symbol of extraordinary brains. For the Tin Man, a heart for love and compassion for your friends. And Lion, a medal for your valiant courage against wicked witches. And for Dorothy, my dear, you've always had the power to go back to Kansas. All you have to do is click your heels 3 times and say, "There's no place like home."
Dorothy hugged her new friends goodbye and took Toto in her arms. Click, click, click. There's no place like home. There's no place like home. There's no place like... Dorothy opened her eyes, and just like that, she was transported back to her small Kansas farm, like home. She smiled. She was home. The end.
Thank you for reading with me today. Our 4 friends already had what they were looking for. A brain, a heart, courage, and a home. You can find me on Instagram. And please subscribe to my channel for more books and more fun. See you next time. Bye-bye.